Hello, welcome to the Florida Manufactured Housing Association's website tutorial. The purpose of this video is to help you understand the basic features of the new site. During this tutorial, we will cover three major topics: logging on to the members section of the website, how to update your profile information, and then finally, how to add, edit, and delete property listings on the website. In order to log into the website, you will need two pieces of information: your username and your password. Both of these can be retrieved via email. Let's do that now. First, click on the My Account link at the top right hand side of the page. Once you've gotten to the My Account page, you will see a box for your username and password. Also, next to those labels, you will see a Forgot link. If you do not know your username or password, start by clicking on the Forgot link for your username. Once you click on the Forgot link, the system will ask you for the email address in the association records. Enter it and click on the Submit button below the email address label. Now, check your email. If the system successfully found your email address, you should receive a username reminder within a few minutes. Now that we have retrieved our username, it is time to reset our password. Let's click on the My Account link once again and click on the Forgot link next to the password box label. This will ask you for your email address once again. Enter it once and click on the Submit button below the email address label. In the next screen, the system will ask for two pieces of information you should have received via email. The first one will be the username you received in your first email, and then the second piece of information will be a verification code you should receive with your second email. Once you have those two pieces of information, copy the verification code into the box and then type the username you received in your first email. Click Submit. Now you will be allowed to reset your password. Enter your new password twice and click on the Submit button below the Confirm Password label. Now that you have your username and password, click on the My Account link and enter this information on the right hand side of the website. Once you click on the Login button, you will be ready to start editing your profile. If you have any problems logging in, don't hesitate to contact us. Help is just an email or phone call away. To update your profile information, click on the Edit Profile button on the left-hand side of the screen or below the profile logo. The first few fields are common to every type of member: a brief description of your organization, physical contact information, website URL, and email address. If you're a community, you will also be given an option to include the amenities you provide. Enter the information appropriate to your organization and click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Once you have saved your profile information, you can also change your company logo. To do this, click on the Change Profile link on the left side of the page below the Edit Profile page title. Now, click on the Browse button and find the image you wish to use. After selecting the correct image, click on the Upload button. Please note that the minimum height and width for the logo image is 128 pixels. Community and retail members have the ability to add property listings to their member profile. This can be accomplished using the List Property link from the Profile tab drop-down menu. Clicking on this link will take you to a wizard that will guide you through the process of creating a new listing. The first tab in the wizard deals with the basic details of your new property listing. You should start by giving your listing an appropriate title. Once you have done this, specify whether the house is for rent or for sale, choose the type of neighborhood, and enter a price. In this tab, you can also enter the square footage for the home, enter the number of bathrooms and bedrooms, as well as a brief description for your listing. As you can see in our demonstration, the system automatically saves any changes you make to the listing. This is important to remember in case you get disconnected or need to continue your work at a later time. If that were to be the case, there is no need to create a new listing. Simply click on the Edit Properties link from the Profile drop-down menu and continue where you left off. The second tab deals with the property's location. Start by choosing the city where your property is located. Once you select the city, a drop-down with all the zip codes available for the city will appear. Choose the appropriate zip code and enter the address for the property in the text box labeled Street. If you wish to include the name of the community, enter it now. You can safely ignore the street number box at the bottom of the page. If you have pictures that you wish to upload, you can do this by using the wizard's third tab, labeled Image Gallery. Start by clicking on the Browse Files button and search for the folder where your pictures are stored. You can upload multiple images by holding the Control key while selecting the images in the browsing box. Once you have selected all the files you wish to upload, close the box and click on the Start Upload button. To publish your listing, don't forget to click on the Finalize button at the bottom of the left-hand side.